guys. Wow. Ay. Tingnan ko, ikaw isbisan ka kayo Tingnan mo, dami-dami akong dala. Kunin mo yan. Kukulayan ko yung buhok mo. Okay? Tapos kasing kulay na buhok ni Mims. Gusto mo? Okay, very good. Magiging mo ako, mag-Bisaya ka naman. Tagalog, inginitan, sagutin mo ng English. Bumul ka. Okay, now, because you are special, I bring color. Okay? Oh, very nice. How old are you?
27.
27? Yeah. Yesterday my birthday, I'm 26.
Wow.
Same for men, ha? The color, ha? Mukha karoon, ha? Daming color. Okay na.
Relax.
Hey, sabi niya, gold daw ko, gold yung buhok. Parang ano lang siya sa kawit Parang naglalaro.
Gold?
Yeah, gold very nice.
Okay, you sit there. Ano to?
Dili lang kay Kuan. Uy, ihi!
Malikot niya siya, gusto niya siya na yun.
Si Lusa. Nanilos na siya kay si Kuan.
Gusto niya nga, ito, kamukha, I make color, same color for memes, okay?
White?
You're white, because your skin black, I make for you white, same memes.
White is black.
Yeah. Hawakan mo, baby.
Yeah.
Hi, Cynthia. I miss you, Cynthia.
Tingnan mo yan.
Bigyan ako na sa Mahabula. Kasama ko yun sa trabaho dati.
Ha?
Mami ka ba kayo na kumuton gamay? Huy, ang ihi pa ni Mims. Ay! Tapoy sa balihog.
Punasan mo.
Tissue, yes, tissue. Israp, take a straw and drink. Looy niyan. Sige.
Kaya si Mims, sige, kuhaan mo rin mo sa correct. Lagay mo plastic, magbubad ka. Bubad mo.
Alice Tayagtak, Jed Beltran, Simliki. Huy, what I tell to you? What I tell for you? Tell him you.
Yeah.
Mama. Bakit ganyan? Wala siyang damit.
Sige pa ako niya. Opo na ko kay yung masaya ang t-shirt niya, mura kayong barangay. That's why I remove your t-shirt because I don't have my
Action.
What's wrong? No, wrong.
Yeah, no wrong.
This one, I mix this the powder because I put the color for your hair because I make black. What do you want color?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Logo daw sa ABCBN. Logo sa ABCBN. Ganang naipuwa, na yellow, na green.
Not good.
No, this one is blue.
Blue.
The result is green.
Okay. Is green.
The result is
Let's check the result.
Hey guys, this family is too much liki. Tell, ingaliki kayo, gabi?
Liki kayo.
What happening? Your hair is too much curly. The curly is going down the skin. Your mama is too much curly also the hair.
Imbita ko nga iriban.
Uy, ate iriban.
Iriban.
Okay. I'm not touched for your what is what? Skin because the skin of the scalp is coming Santa Claus to town. Why you're laughing? You understand? Tilkom dahil. Why you're laughing?
Yeah, the way you talk.
The way I talk?
Yeah.
The procedure is to bring down the earth under the mango tree. My English is very good. Very good than you.
Very good.
Because before my English is very good. Now I'm old. My English is not good.
For me, my English is broken.
Not broken.
My mama English is under the bridge of the sea.
Buang ka? Ngawa ka? Special ka kaayo?
Yeah, waka.
Hindi, ilay na ako sa akong kanday. Ang sarap pa. Teka, kajut lang.